Formidable Forms now has a new tool for collecting donations, the Charity Tracker application template. If you want to collect donations, this is the fastest, easiest, and most beautiful way to do it. While most form builders have some generic template for fundraising, our new template lets you also visualize your progress in seconds. Try a circular or horizontal progress bar, or the ever-popular thermometer. This gets updated with every new donation, motivating others to also contribute and push the progress bar to completion. And yes, their appearance is also easily customizable. Integrating the forms and visualization options into your website is seamless. Using a simple shortcode or Gutenberg block, you can embed the donation forms and progress bars on any page, like your charity's homepage, enhancing the ease of use and transparency of your donation campaigns. Try Formidable Forms and all of our other application templates right now with our 14-day money-back guarantee.